Hey, hello, welcome to Jiaa Kitchen. Today, for a change, I'm not gonna cook anything. Instead of that, my Goan husband is gonna try Malvani Tawa fry or Rava fry. Y'all are excited now? Come, let's see.
It was so damn worth to wait every second, every day. So wait for you to hold my hand, and there is so much more to say. I could kiss you for a lifetime, stay awake to watch you sleep. Fell in love with your sweet smile. You're my love and you're my life. You're my love and you're my life. You're my love and you're my life. It was so damn worth the pain. Sleepless nights and countless days. You're my sun after the rain. Oh babe, there's so much more to say. I'll protect you for a lifetime, keep you warm and keep you safe. Fell in love with your sweet eyes. You're the love of my life.
Let me try this.
It was so damn worth to wait every second, every day.
It's really tasty, crispier outside and juicy inside. You all try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Follow us on Instagram and share the recipes you tried. We will show them in our upcoming videos. I will also show the best comments along with that. If you like to know about more fish delicacies, please click this icon. Until we meet next time, take care, bye bye, see you. Easy cooking, healthy eating, happy living. I'm your Sonadra signing off. Sayonara.